In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll left and right in Notion tables and databases. When you're working in Notion and your table has a lot of columns, it's easy for information to get hidden off to the side. Maybe you've added columns for status, due dates, tags, owners, and more, and suddenly you can't see everything at once. To view all of those columns, you'll need to move horizontally across the table, not just up and down. That's where horizontal scrolling comes in. On most devices, Notion gives you a horizontal scroll bar whenever the content of your table or database extends beyond the visible area. This scroll bar appears directly underneath the table or database itself. It usually looks like a faint bar with a small handle or slider that you can drag left and right. To scroll horizontally, move your mouse cursor down to the bottom of the table. Look just below the last row of your data. You should see that horizontal scroll bar stretching along the width of the table. Position your cursor right on the little handle in that bar, then click and hold the mouse button. While you're holding the mouse button down, drag your cursor to the left or to the right. As you do this, you'll see the columns in your Notion table move in the same direction. Dragging to the right reveals columns that were hidden off the right edge of your screen. Dragging to the left brings you back toward the first columns, like the name or main title column. If you find that you don't see the scroll bar at first, try moving your mouse around the bottom area of the table or slightly resizing your Notion window. Sometimes the bar is a bit subtle and only becomes obvious when your cursor is nearby or when there are actually more columns than can fit on the screen. This method works the same way whether you're in a full-page database, a table that's been embedded inside another page, or a table view inside a larger database with multiple views. The key thing is always to look directly under the table for that horizontal bar, click on it, and drag. If you're using a trackpad or an external mouse with a horizontal scroll feature, you can still use those as well, but the scroll bar is the most consistent and reliable method across different devices and setups. So remember, whenever columns disappear off the side of your Notion table, just go to the scroll bar below the table, click, hold, and drag left or right to bring every column back into view.